Verasity is going to explode 2022 all in one. Let's talk about it. And as well, more good news coming out of Verasity, another exciting giveaway. Participate and win with the best crypto out there, VRA. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So let's go ahead and talk about Verasity. I think this is a classic hidden gem, only trading at 1 cent. It has so much potential in trading at such a low price with a max supply of that, a little bit over 10 billion. Now, the reason why I'm excited about it and I want to share information to you because you are important is because of the positive news that's coming out. Like this here. Another exciting giveaway, participate and win with the best crypto out there with VRA. So it looks like another giveaway. We're holding a giveaway with a 3,000 VRA prize shared among 3 winners. And all you have to do is this following information here. Follow 𝐿𝒄𝒌_IO and then Verasity Tech, tag 4 friends. And then the next 2 things is very, very simple. Retweet this information and then join this here. Click on that link there and then you just join right there on their Telegram group. So go ahead and do that. I'll have the link in the description for you can go ahead and take advantage of this 3,000 VRA giveaway. Why not? By 𝐿𝒄𝒌. I think that's a great thing. It's good for notoriety for VRA. My name is Adam Shelton once again. Let's go ahead and continue the content. Another crazy week for Verasity. We will be available on BitTrue Official. Thanks for the vote. At 𝐒𝐭𝐴𝐵 and Riot Games have opened up registration for Valorant games. And we're now available on the Discord for news, memes, and information. It's also a Discord information as well. You can get signed up just like this. I'll have the link in the description for you can go get signed up on Verasity Official and be a part of this beautiful movement. I think Verasity is moving in the right positive direction because they're always putting out positive information and keeping the users and the people excited about this. And another thing, VRA on over 94,000 individual watch lists, now on CoinMarketCap. That means that more than most major projects in the top 50 rankings. And you see this will not stop building until we are a household name. Now, I know I got carried away with myself and I didn't explain what Verasity is. And Verasity is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. This is very key because there's so many people that's involved in the entertainment and the gaming industry. Now, there's more information that we're coming out of Verasity, but I like the fact that they're in the news and they also are doing a very good job of creating this VRA virtuous cycle. Buyers buy VRA, Verasity earns VRA, and then you got user benefits. Let me go ahead and sub in here a little bit. Let me zoom in. You got user benefits, use VRA to subscribe, entry fees to games, and the cycle repeats. Now, this is how it works. It's very simple. Buyers buy VRA, then publisher reward VRA. Let me zoom in for a little bit so I can just show you this. Then it's the next step. Users earn VRA, influencers, gamers, viewers can earn all the VRA from their activities. Then the next thing, Verasity earns a percentage from all activities, of course. And then here's the thing, you can stake VRA. VRA holders stake their VRA for daily rewards, the VRA staking program, and then also easy conversion for VRA. So that's how it works. Very simple, very easy. This is on their website in terms of like how to get started with the staking program. And also you can read about the roadmap information. And we're about Q3. We're entering Q3 and we should be around what we are Q3. So we should be here. We'll be entering here very soon. And these are the information that's going on, especially this project right here. VRA digital purchases for gaming hardware enabling partnerships. I'm really looking forward to that as well. And as well here, esports fight club players matching and as well as the EFC map veto system and notification for the VRA wallet. Whoa, for the VRA wallet. Let's go. If you're a VRA user, or an investor, you are excited about some of this positive news. And wait to Q4. Q4 is going to have NFTs and more things that's coming down towards the end of this year. Now, the partnership investors is good. I would like it to be added more investors on here, but I know it takes time for things to develop. And a core leadership team is really, really good, very smart, led by RJ Mark and David Archer and Robert. So I'm really excited about the team is there. Now, the VRA's price is trading at 1 cent, and I do believe that this will explode. Just like this person said, Verasity is going to explode. 2022 all in one. Now, I do feel like the price will move by the end of this year. I'm going to say about 50 cents. I'm being conservative with that. About 50 cents in a bull run. I think that's very doable, between 40 and 50 cents. I think that's very doable with a max supply, what it looks like here, and the positive news that's coming out of Verasity, of the coin market cap. You have things with a Discord. You also have things with opening up on BitTrue Official. You have the Telegram group is growing here. You also have, giveaways from different organizations. And you also have Verasity is going to explode. And let me check out their Twitter following and see this. Oh yeah, look at that. Over 112,000 followers. It's definitely growing. So I'm going to say between 40 and 50 cents. That's my price prediction of Verasity for right now until I get more news that's coming out. But I'm a fan of it because I do like the esports industry. I think it's a really, really good way of giving the users and the people what they want. People have been asking about stuff like this with a platform for esports and video entertainment. This has been called for a long time. And for the thing is, they mixing it in with Esports Fight Club. They also getting rewards. You can stake it. And the price, oh my God, only 1 cent. And this thing can really go up higher as more positive news come out, as more investors get into this actually, project, and then continue to do very well of just holding and investing. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing information from what I see. So definitely do your own research, and definitely VRA. If you want to get VRA, you can actually get it on a couple of places. I have the Kucoin link in the description, so that is a great way of getting it. Also Uniswap, but Kucoin is a very quick and easy way of getting it, in my opinion. I know it may have some fees there, but think about this. Think of long term. All these platforms are going to have fees, but think of long term. I think you'll be just fine. Get it on 𝐂𝐭.com. I have it in the description box. Click on there and add it to your portfolio if this is something you want to add to your portfolio. Not financial advice. This is more of an educational and entertainment channel to give you the information on a daily basis. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Look at the top left. There's a video up there. Watch that. Click there. It may inspire you today, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and grow your bank account. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.